That joke?
What?
Oh! I can't stand up.
I really gotta pee. I pee on your head, would you laugh?
No.
I would. How about now? How about now? I think you just
She's like flopping like a dead fish. I can't breathe.
You flop like a dead fish, you know that?
It hurts.
I can't go any higher. Whoa.
Are you laughing as hard as I am?
Oh, get her down!
She's crying.
I'm almost crying.
You flop around like a dead fish. Oh, I'm going to be a dead. You're like, oh.
Stephanie's crying.
Yeah,
No.
Pretty much. That's so going on Facebook.
No.
Oh, I can't.
That's not going on Facebook.
Fine, on YouTube.
Cal, don't worry, I know her password.
Oh shit.
You swear down on Facebook.
What?
You swore on Facebook, man.
No, I didn't.
Get her down.
Get her done.
I'm sweating like a pig.
Oh, that's cool.
Wanna go outside?
Oh, Mary's just sitting there.
Yeah, actually.
It's Chicken Joe likes noodles.
You like chicken noodle soup?
No, that's your password. Chicken Joe likes noodles with an exclamation mark.
Is it?
Yeah.
My password for school, too.
You know what mine is?
Oh,
Sorry, you do.
yours is 1743488 LOL.
Yeah. Not that many people remember that.
I do. Well, you're screwed, Kyle. Knows your password.
I know my password's pretty easy. It was baby breath. And some idiot trying to burn it
China, you got a problem?
down. Yes.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.
No, it's Pandy 1, 1, 2, 3.
Aha.
You laugh like a duck.
What was that?
I really gotta pee.
Then go.
Well, then go pee. You're feeling it.
Give me a bottle because I don't feel like getting up.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Take a look. When did you guys redo this?
What?
When did you guys redo this?
Like, started like last month or something like that.
Who did it?
My mom and my uncle,
Uncle.
Jay.
Yeah.
It's me. You know everybody.
That's what I don't know.
Exactly.
So funny. I really like these.
My mom.
Really like these.
Coolio. You're boring. Oh look, his foot moved. How nice. Stephanie's sitting there.
Stephanie's weird, so it don't matter.
And then the camera saw that.
Aw.
Just kidding.
Look
Yeah.
at that.
It gets bigger.
Pretty lame.
Not supposed to think that way.
It's your fault.
Is that a bad joke?
No. almost.
That bad joke? Yeah?
What?
That bad joke?
No.
I can't breathe.
Let's go wrestle.
You're too fat for me.
You'd like to.
Let's go wrestle.
Run, Kyle, run.
Hey, Arthur, want to come in for a minute?
Oh, this is getting on video.
It's just Michael, let him go.
It's just Michael, let him go.
Oh, you want to tell me when I meet up someday?
Stop, you're shaking the camera.
That's a bad joke. You're shaking the camera.
I could just, I could just hand this in and like nail you for so many murders.
Me twice.
He nailed you twice.
No, he killed me twice.
He nailed you twice.
He killed me twice.
Yes, Kyle, that is a door. It goes outside.
Hey, come here. Oh, my bite mark hurts. Starting to throb.
That's what you get for talking. What?
You have sharp teeth.
Yes?
Yes, she does. Oh, I gotta check that.
That's me.
This is good. So far, it's 13 minutes.
It's so funny. Like, it's like
Oh man, it's counting down. I only have 13 minutes left. It's probably gonna be like a 20-minute video. It's so going on YouTube.
That's what you get for suffocating me.
Take that, bitch.
Oh, where's my jersey? I'm going downstairs.
You followed Kyle.
He's walking.
Would you stop it? Saved by the cat. You're done. That was 3D.
You smashed it, I'll hurt you.
Get her done.
You keep playing that.
Oh. Say Merry Christmas. Hunter's talking to her future boyfriend.
Future husband.
Yeah.
Let's see what they're talking about.
Hey!
No one.
Who keeps playing that?
Stephanie.
Stephanie!
What we're talking about. Crazy.